Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload another new video. So in today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to cut hair bonnets. What I just need from you guys is to focus on this tutorial. I'm very sure by the end of this video, you are going to like the outcome. 30 inches by length, 30 inches by width. So you will fold it into two. You will fold it into two like this. As you can see, you see 30 inches by length, 30 inches by width. So you will now fold it into two. Fold it into two. You will mark 13. The measurement we need is 13. Mark the 13. Mark the 13. Mark the 13. And here is 13. So you will now connect the circle together, 13 inches. As you can see, here is it. Then cut it. As you can see, it will give you flare shape. Flare shape. So you will open it. You will now mention from here. From here like this. Mention 3 inches is okay. Mention 1 inches out. Just give it, connect it together like this and cut it. This place has settled. The body has settled, so it now remains the band, the front band. So it now depends on your choice. It depends on how you want the band to long. Sure you understand? It depends on how you want the band to long. So we need 2 inches for the band. So by the time we sew the if you have enough fabric, it doesn't need for you to cut it into two like this. You can just cut straight one, but it's because my fabric is not enough, that is why I cut it into two like this. So you will now join the center. After you join the center, so you will now form gathers. You will form your gathers, either plenty or so start forming.